హాయ్ వ్యూవర్స్, ఫాలో అవుతున్నారా మన ఛానల్ని? ఫాలో అవ్వకపోతే ఫాలో చేయండి ఫర్ మోర్ అప్కమింగ్ వీడియోస్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్ అవర్ ఛానల్. Hi viewers, in this class we will learn about trigonometric function topic. In IBA generation topic where is your marks. In this we will learn about most important problem in this topic, that is prove that cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square equal to 4 sin square x minus y by 2. In earlier class we learned about cos x plus cos y. Here cos x minus cos y. Please observe. Then solution. Here LHS. Cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square. In earlier class we know that cos c minus cos t value is 2 minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2 and also sin c minus sin d value is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Here c equal to x and d equal to y. We replace these formulas and these values in above equation. Then we get to minus 2 sin x plus y by 2 into sin x minus y by 2 whole square plus 2 cos x plus y by 2 sin x minus y by 2 whole square. We already know that minus 2 square equal to 4 sin square x plus y by 2 sin square x minus y by 2 plus 2 square is nothing but 4. 4 cos square x plus y by 2 into sin square x minus y by 2. In these two terms, we get 4 sin square x minus y by 2 is common in these two terms. Then we have to take common. Then we get 4 sin square x minus y by 2 into sin square x plus y by 2 plus cos square x plus y by 2. Sin square x a plus cos square b. Cos square a equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This is in the form of here. Here a equal to x plus y by 2. Then these two terms is, the value of these two terms is 1. Then we get 4 sin square x minus y by 2 equal to RHS. Therefore, cos x minus cos y whole square plus sin x minus sin y whole square equal to 4 sin square x minus y by 2. Please note down.